In every nut, there is a story of quality, of care, and of passion. This is the story of Blessed Foods, the makers of Golden Crunch Nuts.
My name is I'm the founder of Blessed Foods. I'm in the produce and market Golden Crunch Nuts.
From the rich soils of our land comes groundnut and cashew. Each one is carefully selected, roasted to perfection, and packed with the goodness that keeps you coming back for more.
After I buy them, I will soak am for water just for minutes, no waste time. I will bring her out, put her for shifter. After put her for shifter, I will split salt. After splitting salt, I will turn it, sun it. So after sun it, I now put charcoal for fire. So after putting charcoal for fire, I put frying pan. So from frying pan, so I put my garri. So I will be turning that garri. Garri will so hot before I put my groundnut. So when I don't put my groundnut, I will fry it. So I will fry it to the best of my choice. Reach this golden crushed nuts. So that's how I used to fry it, my groundnut. And when you taste it now, you see that the crunch is very sweet. I don't know if you put too much salt because some people don't like too much salt.
Golden Crunch Nuts is not just a snack, it is a celebration of tradition, a blend of innovation, and a mark of excellence. Every bite carries the dedication of one who believes quality should never be compromised.
I take the notes and my customers will enjoy my products because they will call me. Some of them have my number. When they come, they collect my number. They say, Madam, so I tested their granola to very sweet. Please, can you supply me? I want to be selling it. I said yes. So that's how I start. I continue selling one before I supply. So some of my customers, when they come, they say this is granola very nice. So that's it.
Whether you need a quick snack, a family gathering, or a moment to recharge, Golden Crunch Nut is there. Crunchy, tasty, and unforgettable. Because at Blessed Fruits, quality is not just what we do, it is who we are. Golden Crunch Nuts, 100% natural, 100% crunchy.